Hello, everyone. My name is Li Ziwei. This is our teammate Chao Tian and Xiao Qiyuan. Our topic today is remote home control system. So let's get started. So for the contents of our presentation, we will be divided into four parts, which are the goals and the objectives, feasibility and the solutions, and also the schedule. Finally, is the resource allocation. And now I will introduce Qiao Tian to talk about the goals and the objectives.
Okay. I will talk about the first part, goals and objective. Let's see some backgrounds first. With the development of the times comes a rise in crime and a rise in home burglars, where people are unable to detect the situation and act in the first place. Likewise, with aging, the number of older people in family is increasing, and with it, the risk of accidents such as falls sudden illnesses, a situation that also exists with children, while adults are away at work, unable to make sure the safety of children in the home. And then our group thought, is there a system that can help us to watch the elderly and the children at home in real time? Then we came up with a remote home control system. There are two objectives of our system. One is providing a safe environment for our customers, and another one is ensuring the safety of the elderly and the children. Then I will invite Li Ziwei to talk about the next part of our presentation.
Okay, thanks, Qiao Tian. So I will be talk about the feasibility and solutions of our presentation. So for the feasibility part, I will divide it into two parts. The first one is the technical feasibility, and our system can realize feature below. So the feature one is to real-time monitor the elderly by camera and display in the picture on the mobile software. And the feature two is alarm the buzzer if the environment monitored by the camera is too dark. And the feature three is it will turn on the buzzer by using monitoring software if the user see the emergency situations on the monitoring software. And the feature four is the AI human body shape recognition. Pets or animals cannot jam the system. And the feature five, it can turn on the buzzer and call family members when elder fail detected by AI algorithm. And the feature six is to supply emergency key for elderly or children in a special situation. Then system will call family for help. And the next one is the most special one, which is privacy security. So when camera is watched by mobile or others, camera will light yellow LED on it, aim to call attention to master. System can save 7 days videos in local security storage. These encrypted fields can be checked with approved software only for privacy security. And the second facility part is the economic. We will purchase 6 components. So for the first component is the Raspberry Pi 44B, which are 988 RMB. And the second component is the USB AI camera, which will cost us 168 RMB. And the third component is the active buzzer, which will cost us 2.8 RMB. And the fourth part is the door contact, which will cost us 80 RMB. And the five component is the SOS key, which will cost us 6 RMB. And the last component is the Wi-Fi gas alarm, which will cost us 100 RMB. So based on the price of our component, they are all acceptable for our budget. Now we come to the most important part, the solutions. Here I show the preliminary system flow chart of our system. Now I will explain a little bit about it. So the docking of wireless indoor products through smart gateway products. This includes access to products that have been and will be implemented by the above technologies. After passing the smart gate through the firewall, it is connected to the cloud-based network management software platform. Then remote phones can access images and data information through the cloud platform. Indoor development of smart gateways using Raspberry Pi 4 products integrating the protocol of each unit product, integrating and connecting them to the cloud. So now I will talk about our schedule. So I will divide it into these 6 missions. So the mission 1 is installation of the wire harness, which will cost us for like 1 week. And the second mission is the configuring the gateway, which will cost us 3 weeks. And the third commission is the build service on gateways and create service channels for small cells, which will cost us for like 2 weeks. And the fourth commission is the joint commissioning, which will cost us 2 weeks. So for the fifth, and sixth mission, which will construct it in the same time, they are development of the gateway software and the development of the mobile software, which will both cost us 3 months. So now, for the fourth part, I will introduce Xiao Qiyuan to talk about it.
Okay, for my part, I will introduce the tasks our group work. First, I will talk about the leader of Li Ziwei. He has built a mobile software development and configure the development environments, build a UI framework, and also writing and testing coding. And also, he is responsible for purchase of devices, which is include SOS key, Wi-Fi, figure alarm, door contact, active buzzer, which is high level trigger, USB AI camera, and Raspberry Pi 4. And about Chaotian work, he has built and configured the gateways, and also install of wire harness, configuring the gateways, and also build services on gateways, which create service channels for small cells, and also always joins commissions. And about me, I have built a gateway soft development and test the system framework constructor, and also test the code. Finally, I have tried all system and it's working properly. And that's all of our group work. Thank you.